Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Butler High School in Butler, New Jersey, standing right outside the auditorium where I got to address the 9th through 12th graders today here at the school. Got to stay through all the lunches as well. And a very emotional day through all the talks. Just a lot of pure, heart really rang true through a lot of the stories that I shared about other youth across this country in pain that have been bullied for whatever reason, and whether it was one time or multiple, that a lot of those things are going to be on their heart forever. But knowing that we have this choice in just 2 seconds to either uplift somebody or to destroy them through our words and our actions, we know that we have to choose to be more positive and choose to see people for their heart first and foremost, just like the shirt says too. One race human, we see everybody as human beings before anything as well, and make sure to treat them just like we treat our best friend, knowing the impact that we can have on others' lives around us, right? That just one heartbeat, one breath, one action, one word, 2 seconds can possibly even save a life, right? And once we do understand our own worth, our own value, and truly believe that, the M that I talked about etched on all of our palms, M for miracle, the lines on our hand and upside down, W for worthy, that we start to really truly comprehend that yes, we are just amazing people, and there's a lot of opinions out there, but those don't have to define us. Only what we truly believe and what our best friends see in us. But then once we really buy into that, now we can be the light to someone else's heart, help them see their worth too, right? Help them see that they're great enough, and that's the sign of a true leader, and really what I tried to reinforce today through all the talks and all the conversations with so many students. So it was an honor to be here again. I always love coming to New Jersey. You guys always pump my gas for me. But anyways, it was just a real privilege, and hope to be back again one day soon. Until then, much love. Peace.